Hey everybody, my name's Tom, and today I'm going to show you my electric guitar pedal board, and specifically the compressor pedal, so you can get a sense of what that is and what it does and how important it actually is. So this is my pedal board, and everyone has theirs configured a different way. Some similar, some not so similar, but basically the guitar comes in through one pedal, goes to the next one, goes to the next one, all the way through until the signal goes out into the amp. So it's kind of like a daisy chain of each pedal to the next. And the compressor pedal lives here. And you might not know this, but compression basically controls volume. This is something that you hear on every album you listen to. It's what makes DJs' voices on the radio sound really rich and boomy. And we use compression on guitars too. So right now this is the compressor pedal is not on, so this is what my guitar sounds like without it on. Sounds pretty good, but so I'm going to turn it on. It's going to sound a little quiet because I have the attack level low. And the attack level tells the compressor how quickly it's going to kick in when I hit a note or a chord. So I turn that up a lot, and then I turn the sensitivity, which is the amount of compression, up all the way. So what a compressor pedal does is it makes your guitar sustain a little bit longer, and the sound makes it sound tighter too. For country guitarists, they actually use a lot of compression to do that like chicken picking sound. That's actually a thing. So you can see this, the sound is a little bit more controlled, it's a little bit richer. I'm going to turn it off. So it's one of those effects that you don't really know it's there, but this pedal on my board is on all the time. So what I want to show you here now is this is also a compressor. This is a rack mount compressor that's, you'd see in a recording studio or something like that. And this will show you a little more visual representation of what a compressor is doing in real time. So the first thing I do is I'm going to turn down the threshold. And that's going to tell at what decibel level or what signal the compressor is actually going to start working. So as I hit a note here, you can see by the red it's being activated by the red light. And then I'm going to bring up the compression ratio, which actually starts the compressor at affecting the guitar's signal. And then here we have the attack and release knobs. The attack tells how quickly the compressor is going to start working, and the release tells when to kind of let go of the compression. So you can see as I start playing, and then another cool setting on here is the over easy feature, which when I kick this in, you see this yellow light comes on, and that eases the compressor into affecting the signal a little bit more. So that's better for guitar, vocals, or things like that. So that's going to be it for this video. Just discussing the compressor pedal, and probably going to do some other videos that show you, well, I am going to do some other videos that show you some of the other pedals on the board.